In this video, we are going to take a look at how to tell from a graph if a function is odd, even, or neither. All right, so first of all, for any odd function, I would pick a point. So pick a point. Let's say you picked a point, for example, for the top one, 1, 3. So I picked a point right here. And that point is 1, 3. So 1, 3. Now, if it's odd, then, so if odd, then you will attach the negatives to both of them. So -1, -3 should also be on the graph. And let's see if we can find it. So -1, -3, well, that point would be, let me make it orange right here. That point would be right here, but that's not on the graph. So we know that the top function is not odd, right? We already know that. Okay. Now, if it's even, then whichever point we take, if you switch the x value, so from 1 to -1, then the y value should stay the same. So this is going to be -1, 3 should also be on the graph. So how about -1, +3? Is that on the graph? So -1, 3. Is this point on the graph? No, it's not. So that means this is neither even nor odd, right? So this would be neither. Now let's look at this particular example. So let's pick a point. Again, in this case, I can pick a point 1, 3. And the point 1, 3 would be right here. So you have to pick some point on the graph. Just don't pick 0, 0. Sometimes that would not be helpful. Okay, so for odd, you're looking for -1, -3. Is it going to be on the graph? So let's see, -1, -3. No, it's not. So no, it's not odd. Now for even, you want to change the x and keep y the same and see if that's going to be on the graph. Well, -1, +3 is right here. Yep, it's on the graph. So usually what we'll see for even is this is y-axis symmetry. And it did happen here, except I don't know how to spell symmetry. So this is how to spell that. Okay, so this one is even. Finally, in this last graph, again, we're picking 1, 3, and we want to know, is it odd? If it's odd, then if we attach the negative to both, then the point will still be on the graph. So 1, 3 is right here. How about -1, -3? Yep, that's here. So that means this is also, that's good, right? That means it's an odd function, yes. And this is symmetry about the origin. So symmetry about the origin, which is 0, 0. Okay. All right. So now let's see if we can fill that out. So this one's neither, this one's even, this one's odd.